election might have been over before you even got up this morning. By 10 o'clock, Connolly had declared her victory. She was packing her bags, heading from her constituency in Galway West to here in Dublin Castle, after what appears to be a landslide victory, even greater than what people had anticipated in advance.
I'm going back to pack the bags.
But there will be much to unpick from this presidential campaign. One trend that is emerging is the number of spoiled ballots. Now, usually in presidential or general elections, spoiled votes would fall between 1% and 2%. This time, the number is far higher, reaching 25% of spoiled ballots in certain constituencies, and the overall spoiled ballot is expected to be high. That will leave questions for the political establishment about why so many people feel disenfranchised from the political system. There will also be many questions asked within Fine Gael following the disastrous performance of its candidate Heather Humphreys. That, combined with the fallout in Fianna Fáil, means there is surely to be a period of instability for the coalition. Another big question is what now for the left of Irish politics, with the parties working closely together to secure Connolly's victory. Can those parties get the band back together again come the next general election, or will they be performing solo acts? For now, the day belongs to Connolly, her victory to be announced here in Dublin Castle later. After that, the ripples of this presidential campaign will be felt across Irish politics for some time to come.